So a lot of people ask me, how can I wear my hair after my hair transplant procedure? And my answer is, however you want. Now, there are some styles that are better than others that make your hair look fuller, thicker, like you've got more hair. And as a reminder, a hair transplant surgery is rearranging the hairs you have. So if you're thin on top and we borrow some hairs from the back, put them on top. You don't have any more hairs at the end of the procedure than you did at the beginning. We've just put some where you needed more than you had. I find that patients that have a little bit of hair length tend to have a fuller, thicker look. If a patient wants to wear their hair super short, then obviously you're going to see more and more skin, and it's going to make the hair you still have look a little bit more transparent and a little thinner. So styles to the side are nice, like I have here. Some patients prefer to wear it down the middle, which that's just a personal preference. Right side, left side, it doesn't matter. A lot of patients like to go really short on the sides and back, which is a popular style at the moment. You can certainly do that. There are some limits to how short you can wear your hair on the sides and back because you just had a surgery. And as we said earlier, surgeries do leave surgical remnants or some type of scar, but we can play around with styles and fades and different things like that to make sure you get the style and look that you want. So, in summary, you want a little bit of length to cover the areas that are thin. The shorter it is, the more thin it may look. Styles to the side are nice. If you wear mousses, gels, anything that makes your hair wet, it will look thinner. Because when your hair is wet, even when you had a full head of hair, your hair looked thinner. So it just amplifies that. So I caution patients about wearing a lot of product, a lot of gel that makes it look wet, simply because you can see a little bit more scalp that way. And the point of a transplant is to minimize seeing your scalp.